Have you ever wondered how some people manage to stay healthy and vibrant all year round? It's not magic, it's immunity. A robust immune system is our body's frontline defense against illnesses. It's the secret to maintaining overall health. But how can we strengthen it? Food is one key. Today we're going to explore the world of immunity-boosting foods. Foods that are not just nutritious but delicious as well. Stay tuned as we unveil 5 foods that can help boost your immunity. Starting our list, we have the humble yet mighty mushrooms. These little powerhouses of nature are a treasure trove of health benefits, especially when it comes to boosting our immunity. Mushrooms are rich in selenium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in the health of our immune system. This antioxidant helps lower oxidative stress in our body, reducing inflammation and enhancing immunity. They're also packed with vitamins, particularly vitamin B, riboflavin or B2, and niacin or B3 found in these fungi are key players in a healthy immune system. They help to produce and repair DNA and promote skin health, which forms a crucial barrier against harmful pathogens. And let's not forget the antioxidants in mushrooms, which help to strengthen our body's defenses against various diseases. They assist in the fight against free radicals, harmful substances that can wreak havoc in our bodies. Incorporating mushrooms into your diet can work wonders for your immune system. Next up, we have the zesty and delicious citrus fruits. Now these sun-kissed delights are not just a treat for your taste buds, but they are also a powerhouse of vitamin C. This vital nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your immune system. It helps to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are the body's first line of defense against infections and diseases. Now let's talk about the different kinds of citrus fruits. We have oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits, and tangerines, each one brimming with its unique flavor and a hefty dose of vitamin C. Whether you enjoy them as a fresh morning juice in your salads or just as they are, these fruits are a refreshing and easy way to give your immune system the support it needs. So remember to squeeze in some citrus fruits in your daily diet for that vitamin C boost. Now let's move on to a staple that's often overlooked: brown rice. This humble grain is more than just a side dish. Packed with essential minerals like magnesium and selenium, brown rice helps to strengthen our body's natural defenses. Selenium, for instance, is known to boost the immune response to infections. But that's not all. Brown rice is a rich source of vitamins, particularly vitamin B groups such as B1, B3, and B6. These vitamins play a crucial role in energy production and cell metabolism, keeping our body functioning optimally. And let's not forget about the high fiber content. Dietary fiber is not only good for your gut health, but it also plays a role in your immune health. It acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria, which in turn supports a healthy immune system. Switching to brown rice is a simple yet effective step towards a healthier immune system. Rounding off our list, we have the dynamic duo of sweet potatoes and eggs. Sweet potatoes, with their vibrant orange color, are a telltale sign of their rich vitamin A content. This nutrient is a vital player in maintaining the health of our immune system. It aids in the production and function of white blood cells, which are the body's first line of defense against infections and diseases. On the other hand, eggs are like tiny nutrient-packed powerhouses. They're chock full of essential proteins, which are the building blocks for a healthy body, including our immune system. But the benefits of eggs don't stop at proteins. They are also a source of vitamins like vitamin D, B6, and E, all of which play a pivotal role in supporting immune function. So why not make a power-packed meal with these two? Include sweet potatoes and eggs in your meals to give your immune system the boost it needs. So there you have it, 5 foods that can help improve your immunity. Mushrooms, nature's immunity boosters, are packed with selenium and B vitamins. Citrus fruits, the vitamin C powerhouses, help stimulate the production of white blood cells. Brown rice, the unsung hero, is rich in antioxidants. Sweet potatoes and eggs, the dynamic duo, provide a good dose of vitamins A and D, respectively. Remember, a healthy diet is your best ally in maintaining a strong and vibrant immune system. Stay healthy.